This user lost over $85,000 trading call options. User StirChef lost $85,628 trading calls on PVH. According to him, he thought that the stock would beat its earnings, and he was right. Just kidding, the stock dropped 22% and he lost everything. On the bright side, he would have made a 10x gain on his portfolio if he had just inversed his trade. So he's basically halfway there. Our next user, who allegedly has an uncanny ability to lose money, lost his entire portfolio trading miscellaneous option contracts. While he doesn't list any specific contracts, in the post he stated in the comments that he attempted to short SPY puts with his remaining capital, and that didn't work out too well. But hey, maybe there's a business here betting against his trades, and on the bright side he still has $26 to donate to Wall Street. User Brood Awake has lost $74,000 through his trading career. I honestly don't understand how someone keeps doing this, and at what point do you look at your phone and think to yourself, maybe this isn't for me. Unfortunately for us, he claims to be done trading for the foreseeable future. See you next Monday. Our next user managed to make almost a 300% return and then lost it all in 1 month. Tasty Twix showed us what really makes WallStreetBets such a special forum. Each post is a movie of its own, with peaks and valleys and lots of valleys. Basically, the protagonist loses every single time. Stock Psychic was just a normal WallStreetBets user until he used his magical psychic powers to grow his portfolio by over 1,500% to a total value of over $100,000. Then he lost it all in 2 months. He asks, am I a bad trader? I'm gonna have to go with yes, but hey, the guy over on Wall Street who paid off his new penthouse with your loss probably doesn't think so.